In performing side veneer grafting, you will need to prepare the following: a grafting knife, a grafting tape or any available plastic tie, a rootstock, plastic, and a scion. First, identify the active growth part of the plant. This is mostly found in the center of the stem and has a clash of color green and brown. It is the matured part of the plant that is capable for this method. Use this part for the union. Make a slanting cut in the base of the scion. Attach the scion into the active growth part of the rootstock to identify which part to be cut. Make a cut slantly in the side of the rootstock. Insert the base of the scion into the cut side of the rootstock, then close it with the bark flap. Tie the union using the grafting tape. Then, cover the scion and the grafted part with plastic to prevent release of moisture. Wait for several days until the union is successful. If so, you may remove the plastic and the grafting tape.